Hello friends, in this short video I am going to explain you the steps for the staking of Peak DeFi token in peakdefi.com by using Binance Smart Chain. So you need to follow 6 different steps if you are new. The first, you need to prepare your wallet. Maybe you can download Trust Wallet as advised. Then you have to withdraw Peak DeFi tokens on a Binance Smart Chain network. And third is you need to confirm the availability of your tokens into your wallet. Then you need to use a referral link. Then number 5, you need to connect to the wallet. And sixth, now you can stake the Peak DeFi token. So I will explain you one by one. As a first step, you need to prepare for the wallet. So here I will advise you to use Trust Wallet. So preparation means you need to have a token added into the Trust Wallet. First of all, you need to see you need to have a smart chain and some amount of BNB available, approximately $5 to $10, to pay the gas fees while staking. And next thing what you need to do here, in the first shot there will not be Peak DeFi tokens into that. So before you withdraw tokens or you call tokens, you need to add Peak DeFi token into this wallet. For that, you need to go to this section at the top and then you search Peak DeFi token, PEAK. So you can see here, you can find Peak DeFi, but it is ERC20 token. So you can add this, but actually we want Peak DeFi BEP20, Binance Smart Chain token, that is not visible here. Now to get that Peak DeFi BEP20 token, I request you to go to the add token option. Now in the add token option, you can see at the top there is a Ethereum network, but we need to add BEP20, means we need to change this to smart chain network. So now you can see the network is changed smart chain. Now to add Peak DeFi Binance Smart Chain network token, we need to copy the smart contract address of Peak DeFi token on Binance Smart Chain. For that, we go to a website called binancescan.com. Now here you can find Peak DeFi address. You can type in a search box Peak DeFi and you will find the first option is Peak DeFi Peak token. So here you get the result of Peak DeFi smart contract, all details, and here you'll find the contract. So copy this contract address and go back to your Trust Wallet and click on the paste button. So your address is pasted, and by default system has taken all the information about this Peak DeFi smart chain token, and then once it is visible like this, then press on done. So that means your Peak token BEP20 is added to your wallet. Now go back to the home page. Now you can see you have Peak DeFi token, which is Ethereum, and at the below you can see Peak DeFi BEP20. Now to receive your Peak DeFi BEP20 token, you need to copy a receive address of this Peak DeFi BEP20, and here if you click on receive, you will see the smart contract, the wallet address of BEP20. So here you can see, just copy this address or click on the copy, click on the copy here, and address is copied, and this is how you are copying your address. Now the next step is you need to withdraw your Peak token from, as I said, from the marketpeak.com, or you can contact your seniors. The second step is withdraw Peak DeFi tokens on a Binance Smart Chain from marketpeak.com, or contact your senior to buy internally. You can buy internally also. Now how to do that? Go to your marketpeak.com back office And in the back office, once you log in under wallet section, you will find something called withdraw. And in withdraw, you can use the address which you copied just now. You can paste it under profile section, and you need to withdraw your peak token from market peak. Now make sure that you are using here Binance Smart Chain network. So change Ethereum blockchain to Binance Smart Chain, then enter the quantity of token you want to withdraw, say example 100 or whatever number as per the given condition here. Click on I have read the above, and then click on a submit application. So once you submit application, your tokens will be delivered to your wallet address within maximum 72 hours, depend upon the traffic on the blockchain. So in this way you are withdrawing your tokens, or internally you can buy from your seniors. And once you withdraw your tokens, your token will be coming under peak DeFi BP20 section. So let's wait till the withdrawal comes. Okay, after some time, once your withdrawal is confirmed, you will receive your tokens in peak DeFi section. For example, here I have withdrawn 50 peak tokens. Now this is peak DeFi BEP20, means these tokens are on Binance Smart Chain. So now in this way you have prepared your wallet with your BNB minimum balance, and here you can see you at least $5, $5 to $10, and now you have your peak DeFi tokens available in this wallet. Now next step what we follow here is, you can see, okay, the step 3 is over now. Now fourth is use correct staking referral link of your introducer and copy that link. So you need to use the referral link of your introducer who has introduced you. For example, here I have the referral link from my introducer. I'm just copying that referral link here, and I have copied the referral link as a step, and then I'm going back to the smart chain. So let me see the step. So we just completed our step number 4. Now number 5 step is paste the link under dApp and connect to the wallet. So go to the Trust Wallet again. Now there is the option called dApp here. Click on this dApp, and at the top whatever link you copied, referral link, just paste it, and then 1 minute, you paste the referral link here, and then press next or confirm, whatever comes on your mobile phone. So it will go to peakdefi.com. Now you can see the website peakdefi.com has opened, but at the top you see it's an Ethereum network. So if you click on that, 1 minute, if you click on the symbol of Ethereum, it will show other networks also. Now click on a smart chain. So now you have seen the network is changed to Binance Smart Chain. Now once this website is done in this way, now you go and on BSC, click on a BSC. It will connect to your wallet automatically because you are using the same wallet here. So at the top you can see your wallet is connected here exactly, and now this is the staking home page. So currently you have not staked any peak tokens here, so it shows 0, and then now if you want to stake, so click on a stake peak token button, so it will go to stake. Now before staking, you can see here your balance of peak DeFi token 50 is showing here. That means you have available tokens in your wallet 50 with respect to this integration showing. So now you can stake here minimum any number of tokens. I would prefer minimum 50 to 100 tokens, and maximum you can stake up to 1 million. So in this example I am staking only just for trial purpose 50 peak tokens because I have maximum 50 only, and number of days in stake you can use minimum 10 days and maximum 1000 days. So I am just for trial purpose, again I am using just 10 days as a staking. Now when I put the number of tokens and number of days, it will show the different matrices here, like you will get APY of 55 0.449%. That means annual percentage yield is 55, and that is divided into 10 days. So I'll be getting in reward 0.7596 peak token for 7 days. That will be the on top of my 50 tokens. So once you are done with your days and number of tokens to be staked, then finally you go on a stake button. So once you click on a stake, it will ask you to confirm your referral link. If there's a mistake, so you may lose the referral bonuses. So please confirm and press OK. So here I'm confirming the referral link so that people should not miss the staking. So now the first time when you do, it will connect to your smart contract and it will charging you $0.15 as a gas fees to connect to this smart contract. Now the second thing is charging is the fees of smart contract to stake. So this will repeat whenever do you staking again and again. So confirm this. So already you have a peak token available in your balance. So it will take some time to refresh. Just refresh this page because it will take some time to confirm the gas fees and confirm your transaction from the Binance Smart Chain. Till that you need to wait here. So let's wait for 1 minute. Okay, after some time you will see your total token 50.75. It is total token you're getting after 10 days. 54.765 is the APY, and you are getting additional profit for 10 days is 0.750 peak token. Totally you will get 50.752 peak token. So here you can see your staking details, and you see now 9 days 23 hours is pending, and your staking profit is added every second. You can see it's increasing, and totally you will be getting 0.75 peak tokens, and totally reward will be 50.75. Once your 10 days is over, you can claim your reward by clicking the claim button. In the same way, it will connect to your wallet and it will take some gas fees from the BNB side, and your tokens will go back to the trust wallet again once you claim this. So in this way you can claim your things. So this is the step where I talk about the staking. And next step, what I mentioned in the stake, once your staking is done, confirm the gas fee. This is the 6th step, and finally your staking is done here. Now you can start introducing others with your referral link, and same steps will be repeat for restake or new entry. So where you'll find your referral link in peak staking. So in that, here you can option find invite. So click on the invite, and once you click on the invite, you will be finding your referral link here, and copy this referral link by clicking on a copy button. So it will get copy, or sometimes it will take some time. So maybe you copy by selecting all option. Okay, so in this way you can copy your referral link, and you can share your other people with whom you can introduce. So here if you refer your people, you will get up to 8 level affiliate commissions. Direct level 10%, second level 4, third level 2%, level 4 5 6 1%, and level 7 and 8 again 0.5. totally you get 20%. so you get extra bonus tokens from your downline, and you can also achieve the careers also in this. So in that way you can make more tokens by introducing others. So this is how you can stake and make more tokens from the peakdefi.com in market peak. Thank you.